Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit as a fiddle. Your aren't you? Yes, and be safe at home. Don't go out. It's all for your security purpose, okay? So let's start. Welcome to the English class. And we are going to do letter Z. What we are going to do? Letter Z. And what we have done before this video, we have done letter Y. Right? So now we will do letter Z. Okay, do you know what is the sound of letter Z? No? Z says Z. I'll tell you. Z says Z as a bee buzz. Okay. Z. It's not J. It's Z. Z. Right. Now, this is letter Z. Z. This is Z. If you are saying Z, then also it is correct. If you are saying Z, then also it's correct. Okay, don't be confused in it that in previous class we have read it's Z and now we are going to read it Z. You may pronunciate it as Z and also as Z. So let's come to the pictures. Which picture is this? It is a zip. What is it? Zip. And when we are saying zip, 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 the sound that is coming first from our mouth is z. And z is the sound of which letter? Z. Z is the sound of which letter? Z. Now look, what is this? It is a zigzag. What is this? Zigzag. Do zigzag with me like this with finger on your notebook. Do it. Zigzag, zigzag like this. It is a zigzag. And when we are saying zigzag, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is Z. And Z is the sound of which letter? Z. And now tell me which number is this? It is a 0. 0. Make 0 with your finger. Like this. 0. Right? This is 0. And 0 starts with sound Z. And Z is the sound of which letter? Z. Now look, what is it? You know it very well. Which picture is this? Zebra. What is it? Zebra. And zebra starts with which sound? Z. Zebra starts with sound Z. And Z is the sound of which letter? Z. Now look at here. What is it? It is a... Which picture is this? It is a device by which we can zoom. Okay? What we can do with this one? We can zoom. If some picture is not... Look, if I am not able to see any picture, any number nicely on, okay, if I am not able to see something clearly, then we zoom it. Now I'll show you how to do. Okay, just look, it is written over letter Z. Now I'll zoom it like this. Now it's bigger in size, it has become bigger, right? It is called zoom. Now I'll squeeze it again. If you're like this is zoom. Okay, when you are not able to see your photo in some picture, then what do? You zoom your phone. It is the same one. Okay, and zoom starts with which sound? Z. Zoom starts with which sound? Z. And Z is the sound of which letter? Z. Z is the sound of which letter? Z. Now let's start reading. Z is a zip. Z, Z, zigzag. Z, Z, zero. Z, Z, zebra. Z, Z, zoom. Now let's do tracing part. How to do the tracing? First of all, put your pencil on the red dot, make sleeping line, then standing line, and afterwards again sleeping line. Have you observed one thing, that while making Z, I have not pulled my pencil. I lift my pencil. Look, I'm doing without lifting it. In the same manner, when you are making Z, you are not to lift the pencil. Okay, I'll show you the smaller one also. Look. Sleeping line, slant line, and again sleeping line. This is Z. Now we will do it without dots. Look here. And from where you are to start, instructions are also given here. First you have to start from the red line, then come slant position in till blue line, and then sleeping line on blue line. And we are going to follow the same one. Start sleeping line, now slant line, and then sleeping line. Okay, this is letter Z or Z, you can say. Again we will make sleeping line, slant line, and sleeping line. This is letter Z, and again I am telling you, you're not to cross the red line or blue line. If you are doing like this, under the line like this, then it is wrong. It is wrong. You're not to do like this. If this is done, then erase it and do it again. Okay, now we will do it again. Sleeping line on the red line, okay? Then slant line till blue line, and then sleeping line. This is the right way to write down the letter Z. I hope you have understood everything which I have taught you today, and you are going to follow all my instructions. So I'll be waiting for your work. Bye.